So Nikki, see, I have a pressure reducer to about 5, which then comes here, goes there, feeds, the green one was my old one, but this then feeds my float valve, which then comes in here. So there's that tank I was telling you about. So it comes in there, right? Then I have all these tubing. See? So tubing, so for my baby chicks I have it there. Gets a little bit taller and they just go, you know, they just come here. Oh, there's my baby chicks. And I have one that goes underneath, goes underground. I know it's time for me to clean it. And then it comes up and there's my main. And I also have one feeding the outside. Hopefully they'll give you some ideas. There's my bait, there's my bunch of them. Bring them around.